friends, welcome to class. Happy Vegan Declaration Day to you if this is the first day that you decide to be vegan, or if it's your anniversary, that's wonderful. Listen, today I'm in front of the comment section. You can see it going here because the premiere is about to go up in just a few minutes. I think it's about 5 minutes. I can't actually see because of the way the screens are right now, but I thought I would do my best to try to comment as much as I can here before the premiere begins because everything's going kind of fast. Let me just try somewhere. Okay, so it says here, honey belongs to bees. Yes, that's right. Thank you, Kate, for saying that. Honey belongs to bees and we shouldn't be stealing it. Somebody else says hi, so hi. Jenny says, every famous person with a lot of followers should be vegan because they have a social responsibility. Yeah, I agree with that, Jenny. That's great. Yeah, if a lot of famous people would become vegan, then all their followers would as well, especially if they explain what happens to the animals. Someone says here, go away, vegan teachers. I don't know why you want us to go away. We're just here trying to help the animals. Don't steal bananas from trees. It's okay to take bananas from trees because trees don't have feelings. They don't have a nervous system. I sing this song to you almost every video, but here's how it goes, and here it goes again. Plants don't feel pain, they don't have a brain, they don't have a nervous system, so it's okay to bite into them. You have a heart, you know where to start, so sing this song and be vegan from now on. There you go. Yeah, you know it anyway. When the firefighters come to save your house when it's burning down, they don't go and run and save the cucumbers and the broccoli and the bananas. They come and save the humans and the grandparents, the animals, the uncles. They just, we all know that plants don't feel pain. See, that's just a silly thing that 12-year-olds say. What else is going on? Not every famous person should be vegan. Every person should be vegan, famous or not. Okay, Kate, gotcha. Numa says, did a heart, I'm taking sketch requests just because I'm bored. This has nothing to do with veganism whatsoever, so we're going to put you in timeout because you just have to stay on subject. We're talking about the animals, about saving them. You can post vegan recipes if you want. You can tell people to go to watchdominion.com, an important video. You can ask them to go to Cowspiracy, another great one on Netflix, and also Seaspiracy, but just randomly talking about yourself, it's not really appropriate. If you were in your class at school, the teacher wouldn't just let you raise your hand and start randomly talking about whatever. Okay, we're talking about veganism, which is the animals. What else have we got here? Miss Katie's here to guide you through the right path. Take that. Okay, thank you. Yes, you're right. Vegan never goes out of style. You're right. Being kind never goes out of style. Being compassionate to the most vulnerable on earth, that never goes out of style. Cow's milk is a good source of protein and calcium. It also contains many. You know what? Cow's milk is not good because when you take cow's milk, you pay for an industry that murders baby boy cows when you can simply get all of these nutrients in other products. Buy oat milk, buy soy milk, buy macadamia milk, hazelnut milk, hemp milk, rice milk. There are so many other choices. You absolutely do not need to pay anyone to hurt animals who never did a single thing wrong to you ever. The dairy industry is terrible. They rape the mothers to begin with. They force sperm into them without their consent. Then they take away their baby boys, and because they'll never be able to give milk, they murder them and turn them into all kinds of leather objects, and they also turn them into veal. It's very sad and very unnecessary. So it's better to be vegan. Stop spreading these crazy lies that people need to drink milk because they don't. Not milk from cows at all. In fact, no animals beyond the age of infancy drink milk anymore. Milk is for babies. If you want to drink milk, go and ask your mom if she'll give you some. Don't go and steal it from somebody else's mom. Animals die every day. I don't see you vegans preventing it from happening. Actually, we are preventing it from happening. Because every time that someone comes here and becomes vegan, and they declare that this is their Happy Vegan Declaration Day, these people will save hundreds of animals in their lifetime. So it is helping. We're also encouraging people to buy vegan products instead of the dead animals. So every time that someone goes into a store and buys a Beyond Burger instead of the meat, they are also preventing suffering. That's our goal here, is to raise awareness and to try to get people to make incremental changes and preferably to become vegan completely. Because when you know something's wrong, like hurting animals, you should stop it completely. Just like if you know racism is wrong, you should stop it completely. Not just ease out of it. If you know that being homophobic is wrong, you should stop it completely, right? Not just, oh, I'll just be homophobic a couple of days a week. It doesn't make sense. All right, so somebody says, I'm so excited, I guess, for the video to start. It's going to start any moment. Ask the plants if we can eat them, please. Well, if you actually honestly care about plants, you should also be vegan. Because by being somebody who eats animals, you actually end up eating more plants because they're filtered through the cows and the pigs first. So rather than do that, leave the animals out of the equation. We need to stop creating the animals to begin with. We need to stop raping them into existence. And we need to go directly to plants. All farmers should stop feeding animals, should stop breeding them into existence. I mean, of course, those who exist we should take care of course, but we need to stop breeding them, stop raping them, stop forcing them to have babies. Chickens, turkeys, lambs, cows, pigs, all of these animals should be gradually phased out or phased down so that we don't use them as a commodity. They're not a commodity. What's this say? I don't consider you as a British person. It is a shame. Don't know what you mean. Kate's putting a lot of veggies and fruits. Great. Omnium, what else is going on? You guys are probably watching all this while I was talking. I probably missed a bunch of stuff. Come on, start already. Well, it's going to start on its own at noon Montreal time. We're in Montreal, Quebec, Canada. For those of you who don't know me, by the way, I'm Miss Kadie. I'm that vegan teacher. I'm 57 years old. I've been vegan since June 2016, and I'm healthy and I'm doing fine. And my dog, who's over there on a day bed right now, just looking at me, she has been vegan since August 2017. Did I say June 2016? That's what I meant. I hope I said that for myself. Plants are living. That's fine. Okay, so you can hear the song going on here. Let's let me just mute this over here, or at least turn it down a bit. Let's see if that's going to help. All right, so you can see the video is going up here. There's a countdown, and people are continuing to chit-chat. So I just want to thank everybody for being here. Thank you so much. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you can. What I'm going to do is I'm going to ask people to subscribe here and press the notification bell. Help us get these animals out of hell. Be kind, be vegan from now on. The more people that subscribe, the more people we can reach with our message. If you are on Facebook, you can share this video, tell people about the channel, share it with people who are not yet vegan, and share it with people who are vegan. If you're vegan, you are absolutely welcome. That showed up kind of funny. You are absolutely welcome to help teach vegan facts here. Just type whatever you want that has to do with factual things. Type what you ate today. Type about the documentaries, whatever you like. Okay? Bye, guys. See you in the next video. Oh, I almost forgot to tell you, there's going to be videos popping up on screen. Comment on them, click on them, and be curious about my site. There's lots to look at. Bye, everyone. Love you.